Hello guys, good morning. We are here at IKEA Logan today and we are going to shop here today. Let's see what they have on special, shall we? The very first thing you have to do if you enter any establishment is to check in using the Queensland app. Well done! And here we are now. This is the main entrance to the IKEA showroom. There's just so much to see here at the IKEA showroom, and even Dylan is having a good time. This one was on sale for 99 cents. It's good for organization. These high chairs are really cute and you can have the option to buy it with a tray. I saw this 3-pack sponge for $1.50, so I thought I might give it a try. And this brush is very cleverly made. Look at that, you can just stick it onto the surface and it won't fall down. For the price of $1.50, this is a good buy. This one is a very interesting drying rack. I've seen this one in a lot of videos and it costs $3 here in Australia. The only thing is in Kmart there's a similar item and it costs $3. So yeah, $1 difference. I think I'll go to Kmart for this ones. These ones are $8. I'll grab some of these. And the small ones on the top are $5 each. This one's the small ones. Probably grab This is a very popular drawer or shelf liner here at IKEA. It costs $3 and the size is 150 centimeter by 50 centimeter. Those are bigger sizes. Here is a more sustainable product like this beautiful tablet stand. It is made out of bamboo. And here we are, the kids section here in IKEA. Dylan actually stopped to have a look around first before entering. He was completely in awe about the numerous toys that he can see in here, especially the dinosaurs. And just look at that very big smile. Dylan finally settled with his Stegosaurus. These kids' eating utensils, I reckon they're pretty good. We have been using these ones for ages, probably when the kids started eating. This one is a 4-pack of spoons and it costs $1, but I can't see any fork or any separate knife, so I just settled with this pack. It comes with a fork, with a spoon, and with a knife, and 6, 12, 18 packs, and so this one costs $2. The pack of bowls or plates or cups are also $2 per 6-pack. For $2. We're having breakfast before we continue on. This drying mat has very popular reviews and they're selling it for $4. There are actually a lot of other things that I wanted to have a look here at IKEA, but sadly we have to cut it short because Pio suddenly has a different plan. And so next time I'll probably come back in here again and I'll make sure that I'll definitely go through each section for you guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to our channel as well. Your subscription and like means so much to us. Until next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.